Hi everybody, good evening. This is Jean here. I am behind the camera, and Maxwell and I have just a little story to tell you. You might be interested. Maxwell's going to tell you what happened the other day after we videoed him about wanting to have a new debit card. What happened, Maxwell?
This is my debit card here. I'm just going to put that on my thing so you know that I have it under my leg. I don't want my information getting stolen.
No, it won't get stolen.
No.
So what happened when we went to the bank? What usually happens?
It takes 40 minutes, but we were in there in like 10 minutes.
Did we go in?
No.
What happened?
We did it. So we gave her information, and the lady did a few things and printed it, and I was on my way.
And we didn't even get out of the car.
No.
We went through the drive-thru, and Maxwell got his debit card, and he was all excited because you're going to be what?
Tissue?
Oh, Maxwell needs a tissue. Excuse us, folks. Here you go, darling. So, excuse Maxwell. He has a little bit of a runny nose. Maxwell, he has a little bit of a runny nose. Anyway, so you got your debit card.
Yes.
And then what happened?
I got my debit card within 30 minutes. Well,
within 10 minutes.
No, 10 minutes. I bought some stickers. Then the next day came. I paid for lunch. Then did more stuff.
With your debit card?
Yes.
So you had your debit card about half an hour. Wasn't the agreement that you were going to check with mom or dad? And so you came into my sewing room. You said, "Oh, Mom, I just bought some
stickers."
And I said, "How much were they?"
$5 a piece.
So how many did you buy?
2.
You bought 2. Now, is that responsible?
At the moment, no.
Oh, so you...
I was not responsible. That was a C1.5.
That was... So, Maxwell...
Oh, yeah, because I was watching a video before of... They were having like a sale of their merchandise, but they didn't have the sale of the stickers, so I decided to spend money on stickers.
Right, but do you think that is indicative? Is that what's going to be happening in the future?
That was a C1.5 moment. I didn't need it.
No.
I did not.
Right, but you...
But on the stickers, I felt I did need. I needed those.
You needed those stickers?
Well, what was that one package you bought? Like,
oh, shut up! Don't stop talking about me.
Like what is it called? The snapper?
Oh no, I needed that.
No, you do not need a snapper.
I do. It puts snaps on, and I was like desperate for it. We're not talking about me, Max.
So I need the stickers like you need that snapper.
Okay, I give you that one. But what is the general purpose? What is the general idea about your purchasing things with your new debit card? Quite seriously, what should happen?
Restrictions.
Restrictions, or
I have the debit card. I just put it in a spot where I can't see the debit card, so it doesn't tempt me to buy something.
Or you have self-control.
Yeah. Yes. I'm getting better. I haven't had a debit card in a while. Right,
you haven't had a debit card. You really do need self-control. I want you to have it in your phone case. Can you just show your phone case and see people? Yeah, Maxwell has a phone case. This is his 4th debit card. Hopefully this one's a charm. Okay, we're not going to lose this one. However, the arrangement was that we do our banking every day.
I do my banking every day.
Right. And you had the $10 for your 2 stickers, but you hadn't really received permission from Mom and Dad at this point. At this point, maybe you need it?
Those stickers were totally not needed.
Yeah, they were not needed. But again, okay, that's $10. But if you keep making $10 purchases...
It's going to add up.
Yeah.
And...
Yeah, it's going to add up, and...
I have made mistakes with a debit card.
And you had it for 20 minutes.
And I'm talking about previous time.
Oh, previous, yes.
Yeah.
So then that was yesterday. We got the debit card. You bought your stickers. Okay, it was exciting. And then today you went to,
I went to...
You went to Wawa.
Wawa.
Oh, which is what? What is Wawa for people who don't know?
In the East Coast around the Philadelphia area. I don't know what the range of Wawa is. That's like a convenience store,
Right.
like
Gasoline.
like Dunkin' Donuts is the America runs on Dunkin', but up in Maine, Dunkin' wasn't even a thing.
Oh, wow.
Tim Hortons was.
Oh, okay. So it's Wawa is like a convenience store, gas station. Lovely, nice, quick food, but good food. You know,
Yes.
hoagies and steak and salads and chips and stuff to get. But it's very, very nice food. So you went in to get lunch today.
I was in a rush, so I had to use the debit card.
You had to use the debit card. Okay.
Yes, because it.
What's that?
Dad paid for me too.
So I'm back. I had to change the battery. I wanted to get what Maxwell was going to say. So now you said you have a purchase coming up.
I've if any of you are Xbox enthusiasts or not even enthusiasts, I don't know what to call you,
Just
but
Xbox people.
yes, the Xbox Series X comes out on November 10th,
Okay.
and I missed the pre-order, so that's not gonna happen. So I want to wait till November 12th to make a purchase.
Okay. And how much is that game?
This is not a game.
Oh, what is it? I'm sorry.
This is a console.
Oh, you're buying a whole new console?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Wait a minute, mate. How many Xboxes have we gone through? Maxwell?
I still have the Xbox 360.
Yeah. Why do you need another console? We have to talk about that. I didn't realize that. I thought it was a game, mate. I'm
No.
telling you. No. Okay. Well, we'll talk about that. Okay?
But the thing is, there are two ways of you can get the Series X on launch. If you get it on launch, what's November 10th? You would either pay outright. I'm just gonna say the price of it because it's already out to the public already. You could either spend it full price for $500, or if I buy and do it, you could do a thing of like $35 a month.
A payment plan.
A payment plan of I think it's $35. I'm just rounding up numbers here. Through 12 months of owning it.
Well, do you think that's a wise thing to do?
And I've been waiting for this Xbox to come out for a long time.
Okay. Is it a C1 have?
That could I say yes and no, but no and yes. It's a little bit of both. So you want to have?
But that's in November.
But November will be here.
I know, it's
very
October.
fast.
It's the end of October. So we'll chat about that. And you are earning some money.
I am earning some.
Not a lot. And you have your rent to pay.
Yes.
And you have your bills to pay.
And I also need some pair of headphones because my headphones that I have now will not work with the Series X.
Oh, it's a never ending.
No, I sell they took out an optical port. It's light. In simple terms, it's light what gives you your audio. It's very.
I don't know. You're talking technical. So you need new headphones. Well, that's
yes,
another thing.
I know.
So we'll have to discuss this, Maxwell, because it's not like buying $5 stickers.
What do you want? Me get a Series X or get a wheel attachment?
For your rig. So Maxwell enjoys his rig. He enjoys his video games. So this is a conversation that we'll have probably off camera, and we will let you folks know what's going to happen. All right, Maxwell? Okay? Say goodbye, everybody. Everyone wanted an update. Maxwell got his debit card. Are you feeling responsible?
Right now. Yes-ish.
Yes. At least you're honest.
Yes.
All right. Love you, my man. Bye.